Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the screencast. It's Master Gino. It's Mr. S. I'm excited because we're in day 3, lesson 3 of our geometry unit. And today we're taking on trapezoids. And here's a good picture of one right here. A trapezoid, think of it this way, is a quadrilateral. The word quadrilateral means four-sided. Quad, that prefix means four. So a four-sided figure, all connected, that has two sets of parallel lines. And if you look at our model, B1 and B2 are our parallel lines. This is what we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about a formula that helps us find the area of trapezoids and also a formula that helps us to find the height of a trapezoid. So let's take this one on. First things first, we're finding the area of this trapezoid, and we need a formula. Our formula is area equals the height times B1 and B2, and we'll talk about that in a second. It really stands for base 1 and base 2, and we're going to divide that by 2. When I look at all the pieces of our trapezoid over here, I see this symbol here, our right angle symbol, which touches both the height and a base. But in this case, there's two bases. There's one that's 12 inches and one that's 5 inches. This would be B1, and this is B2. So as I'm plugging numbers into a formula, that's what those are. And then over here, our height is 7 inches. All right, so let's plug numbers into our formula. I have the height at 7. And we have B1, which is 5 inches, plus B2, which is 12 inches. And then after we get all that, we're going to divide by 2. Step 1, if you remember our order of operations, parentheses comes first. So we have to do this 5 plus 12, which is 17. So our next line item might look like 7 times 17 divided by 2. Let's take 7 by 17. 17 times 7 is 49. 9. Carry the 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 119. So we have 119 over 2. If I had a calculator, this would be so much simpler. Or we can go old school. 2 goes into 0. Nope. 2 goes into 1. Now 2 goes into 11. It sure does. 5 times, which gives me 10. So 1. Bring down the 9. 2 times some number gives me 19 without going over would be 9, which is 18. 1. And that 1 remaining is 1.5. Ladies and gentlemen, the area of that trapezoid is 59.5 inches. And let's give it a label. Can't find any room to work here. Let me hide that. Let's do some erasing here. People love when I erase. Here we go. Our answer would be 59.5 inches squared. Whenever we do area, we're looking for all the little squares inside our shape. So that's how you find the area of a trapezoid. Let me give you the formula one more time. We got area equals height times B1 or base 1 plus B2 or base 2, and we're going to divide that whole thing by 2. Now, there is another formula you're going to need to know, not necessarily memorize. If you're in my class, we're going to be sharing some sheets that have all these formulas on for test time, that sort of thing. But today, I just want to make sure you know this formula for finding the height of this particular shape. So we have, in this case, got 12 and 15. That's B1. Well, let's write that. This is B2. I don't know the height. And I know this is B2 because right here is my 90-degree angle. Over here in the word problem, it's telling me that I have 108 square feet. Okay. To find the height, here's the formula. We're going to take 2 times the area, and we're going to divide that by the sum of B1 plus B2. There's our formula. So let's plug some numbers into what we know. We know 2, and we know the area is 108, and we're going to divide that by, well, in this case, 12 plus 15. Outstanding. Let's see, where's my calculator? We're going to need a little bit of help on this one. All right. Step 1, 2 times 108 equals 216. And if I add 12 plus 15, what do I get? 27, right? So now my problem says, okay, 216 divided by 27. Let's divide that by 27. Should come out to a whole number, and it does. And that equals 8. I'm going to give it a label. It's 8, and it's feet. Might be saying, Shetler, aren't we trying to find feet squared? Don't forget, that's only when we do area. It's only this number right here would be the area. In this case, it's just a straight line that goes from there to there, and that's our height. Ladies and gentlemen, that's trapezoids. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Ask me questions in class tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you, and that's the maths you should know.